Welcome to Wells Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel. And today सगळ्यांक तुमकां देव बरो दीस दिवं येवकार दिता म्हज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर आनी आयज हांव सुंगटां शिंगोची कोडी दाखयता. So today I am going to show you prawns curry, prawns drumstick, Goan drumstick curry. So let's start. What we need, I have taken half kg of prawns, then I have taken this around 5 of these drumsticks, and to clean it is very cut. One drumstick you make around 4 pieces, and then you have to remove these sides. Then I have taken one onion, red onion over here, which I'll be sauteing. Then for the masala, curry masala, it's the same curry masala, or Goan curry masala. So I've taken 100 grams, that is half coconut. I'll be using to grind this white onion, 1 small pod of garlic, 3 Kashmiri chilies, and 2 Goan chilies. Then to grind again, tamarind, then 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So I'll be using also 1 tomato and few I have this small gonta, mangoes gonta, which I've removed the pulp, and I'll be using it in my curry. So let's grind this into a fine paste. This all. So let's add water. I have added water little and grind to a fine paste. So this is my masala paste is ready. Now we'll do next. So here I had applied a little bit of lime juice, salt to the prawns, and just left it for 15 minutes. Please see that you remove all this veins which be there in the prawn, as it is not good for health. So I took 1 small tablespoon of oil, and I will leave my onion in this and tomato. And as this is getting sauteed, let's put our shingo, sango, shingo, we'll add salt now at this point, so that shingo gets this. हिंगासर आमी आतां मातशें मीठ घालुया. हिंगांक लागपाक. Now we'll add our masala paste. So prawns are half kg. So you need for this quantity half kg of prawns. Let's add water, like 1 cup of water. Whatever the mixer, what you are grinding the masala, you can take that. We'll add a mango also in this. This mango what I've added is optional. If you don't have, don't add please. Cover this and we'll cook this for 10 minutes because our shingo has to get cooked. Then we will add our prawns, because prawns takes only 5 minutes to get cooked. So now we'll add our prawns to this. And we'll cook for 5 minutes. Add salt to taste. Yummy सुंगटा शेंगाची कोडी 5 मिनिटांनी तयार जातली. So just check your salt. So we need to add some salt to this. Salt to taste. According to your taste. And let this cook now for 5 minutes covered. So done. माझी सुंगटां शिंगोची कोडी ready आसा. सुंगटां शिजली. My curry is ready, and hope you all enjoy this curry. Again, this is my grandmother's recipe, my mine. So enjoy this curry with rice. Goan rice or normal rice, and enjoy this curry. Thank you. देव बरें करूं. तुका दाखयता हें सुंगटां सगळीं शिजली. बेस्ट शिजोवंक ना 5 मिनिट ती आतां शिजली. थँक्यू. देव बरें करूं.